Hi everyone, I'm Paloma and we're going to taste Origen 2018. It's a complex wine. It's made emulating the wine that was made by the monks in the monastery in the 14th century. Wow, it's a pronounced intensity. You see the color, it's a beautiful ruby color. On the nose we have those smell of fresh red fruit, red cherries, red plum, black currant, some spices as black pepper, okay, some subtle oaky notes, some smoke. You have some earth, some forest floor, some dried herbs, okay. In the palate it's very fresh, it has a bright acidity. Tanins are very well integrated, it's soft, it's strong. You have the same flavors that you have on the nose, that red cherries, black currant, plum, the smoky notes, the spices. It's very complex. It's a beautiful wine that you can drink now, and you can keep in bottle for aging for 2-3 years and it will be lovely. Okay, so cheers.